Did you know a heart murmur your doctor called innocent could kill you decades later? Emma was 28 and pregnant with her first child. As a kid, doctors heard her heart murmur but said it was harmless. They were wrong. Emma had a hole in her heart that no one caught. When pregnancy put stress on her body, something terrifying happened. Her blood started flowing backward. Oxygen-rich blood became poison, slowly suffocating her lungs from the inside. This is called Eisenmenger syndrome, and it turned Emma's pregnancy into a death sentence.